Ensuring precision. Best practices for importer security filing data validation. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the best practices for importer security filing, ISF, data validation. Accurate and reliable data is crucial for customs brokers when filing ISF to comply with regulations and facilitate smooth import processes. By implementing these best practices for data validation, customs brokers can ensure accuracy, minimize errors, and enhance compliance. So, let's dive into the key steps for effective ISF data validation. Establish data validation parameters. Define clear data validation parameters based on regulatory requirements, industry standards, and internal policies. These parameters serve as baselines for verifying the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of ISF data. Establishing specific rules and criteria helps maintain data integrity throughout the validation process. Utilize automated validation tools. Leverage automated validation tools or software solutions designed for ISF data validation. These tools can streamline the validation process, applying predefined validation rules and checks to ensure accurate and compliant data entry. Automated tools reduce manual effort, minimize errors, and improve efficiency in data validation. Verify consistency in data sources. Validate the consistency of data from various sources. Cross-reference information obtained from importers, carriers, suppliers, and other stakeholders involved in the import process. Ensure that the data aligns and matches across different sources to avoid inconsistencies and discrepancies in the ISF filing. Compare data against supporting documentation. Cross-check ISF data against supporting documentation, such as commercial invoices, packing lists, or bill of lading. Verify that the information provided in the ISF aligns with the details outlined in the supporting documents. This helps identify any inconsistencies or inaccuracies and ensures accurate data entry. Conduct real-time validation. Implement real-time data validation during the data entry process. By validating the data as it is entered, customs brokers can immediately identify and rectify errors or missing information. Real-time validation minimizes the chances of incorrect data entry and ensures data accuracy from the outset. Establish error handling protocols. Establish protocols for handling validation errors. Define how validation errors are identified, reported, and resolved. Implement a system to capture and address errors promptly, ensuring that corrections are made, and accurate data is submitted in a timely manner. Clear error handling protocols streamline the validation process and minimize delays. Regularly update validation rules. Stay up to date with regulatory changes and industry best practices. Frequently review and update the validation rules to align with new requirements and changes in the import process. Regularly incorporating updates into the validation rules ensures ongoing accuracy and compliance. Perform data cleansing. Implement data cleansing practices to remove any duplicates, inconsistencies, or inaccuracies from ISF data. Regularly review and clean up the data to maintain its integrity. Data cleansing improves data quality and reduces the risk of errors in the ISF filing process. Conduct random audits. Periodically conduct random audits of ISF data to validate compliance and accuracy. Random audits help identify any systemic issues or patterns of errors that may require corrective action. Auditing ISF data provides insights into potential areas for improvement and helps maintain overall data quality. Develop validation test cases. Create validation test cases as part of the data validation process. These test cases simulate different scenarios and data conditions to check the reliability and accuracy of the ISF data validation process. By executing test cases, customs brokers can identify any weaknesses in the validation system and refine it accordingly. Encourage quality control reviews. Implement quality control reviews of ISF filings to ensure accuracy and compliance. Engage a dedicated team or individual responsible for conducting independent reviews of the validated data. Quality control reviews provide an additional layer of validation and help identify any errors or inconsistencies before filing. Provide staff training. Provide comprehensive training to staff involved in ISF data validation. Training ensures that individuals understand the validation rules, regulations, and best practices. Well-trained staff members are equipped to effectively identify and address potential errors during the data validation process. Foster collaboration. Encourage collaboration among team members involved in ISF data validation. Facilitate open communication to discuss challenges, share insights, and exchange best practices. Collaborative efforts promote continuous learning and improvement in data validation processes. Regularly monitor key performance indicators, KPIs. Establish KPIs to monitor the effectiveness and efficiency of the data validation process. Regularly track and analyze metrics such as error rates, processing time, and accuracy rates. Monitoring KPIs provides valuable insights into the validation process's performance, allowing for targeted improvements. Stay abreast of industry technology. Stay updated on emerging technologies and tools related to data validation in customs brokerage. Explore innovations such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, or data analytics to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of ISF data validation. Adopting new technologies can streamline processes and improve the accuracy of the data validation process. Continuously improve the validation process. Regularly evaluate and improve the data validation process based on feedback, audits, and industry developments. Seek feedback from stakeholders and analyze the effectiveness of the validation process to identify areas for improvement. Continuous improvement ensures that the data validation process stays current and aligns with evolving requirements. By implementing these best practices for importer security filing, ISF, data validation, customs brokers can ensure accuracy, enhance compliance, and streamline customs brokerage operations. Establishing clear validation parameters, leveraging automated tools, verifying consistency, comparing data against supporting documentation, conducting real-time validation, establishing error handling protocols, and staying updated with regulations are crucial steps. Additionally, performing data cleansing, random audits, developing validation test cases, encouraging quality control reviews, providing staff training, fostering collaboration, monitoring KPIs, staying informed about industry technology, and continuously improving the validation process contribute to accurate ISF data validation. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on customs brokerage, international trade, and related topics. Stay tuned for our upcoming content.